So I am super excited to show you some mixing bowls that I got and tell you what I'm really liking about them. This came as a set of 5. This is the biggest one, and it's a 5-quart. I like too that it shows you on the very front, you know, the size of it. And then on the inside, I don't know if you can see, but it shows all of your measurements here in quarts and liters. So like if you're mixing something down in here, you can see where your fill line is. So that's a 5-quart. This one's like a 3-quart. You've got a 2-quart, a 1, and then like a little bitty one here. But the other thing I really like about these, this has the silicone bottom to them, so they're not bangy and clangy, but these are just this really good super grade stainless steel. I've had some that were just kind of like not a Tupperware, but just a plastic that haven't held up good when you put them in the dishwasher. Just had them for a long time, but these I know are going to last me a long time, and they're dishwasher safe too, so that I really like. But the other thing that I super really like is they come with each one has their own lid. So when you put the lid on it, these actually seal like super good. So like if you wanted to put something in here and put it in your freezer, that is like airtight. There's just, it's gonna keep it fresh and good. Each one, like I said, has their own lid. But the other really cool thing is like the biggest one, the 5-quart, this lid has the cutout in the middle. And then this comes with 3 graters. So like if you were wanting to grate something, let me show you. You would just take that out and then pop this in. And then like if you're, whatever you're wanting, you just start grating it, but you're gonna put it over your pan like that so you can see how it fits on there. And then when you grate it, everything's gonna go automatically down in your bowl, which is just super easy, super cool. And then you don't have like to transfer from one bowl to the other. But I am just loving this set. Like I said, it's these are food grade steel, dishwasher safe. You do not want to put the lids in there. I might say that. Just make sure you put the just the pans in there. And the other thing that for me is I don't have a lot of space. So when I'm done and are not using these and store them, they all just stack so easy like that inside of each other. So it's definitely a great space saver. So I don't know, if you're just looking for a new set of pots and pans, then I would highly recommend these. These have been wonderful.